How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. I am the Charlton Angler, and what we're doing today, we're going to be doing an unboxing. Oh, not another boring unboxing. Yeah. So we're gonna do today, y'all. We're gonna skip the unboxing. I'll show y'all what's in this box real quick, and we're just gonna get to the pond. I know y'all don't like the unboxing, so I'll show y'all what's in it real quick, and we're gonna go straight to fishing. First, we have a Vicious Fishing top water popper. We have a Lunker Hunt Commotion, a Bait Lab. I'm not sure what that's called. That is the Lunker Hunt Jolt 2.5. I got a Lucky Strike crankbait. I got some Orange Spot baits. One of my favorite brands right there, X Zone. Some trick worms. I got these HR baits, some cross-out baits, and last, Liquid Mayhem. It comes with a little bottle of some stink with it. I guess that's it for this box. There's 9 baits in there. 9 baits in there. That's a lot of baits, I'll tell you what. If you want your own box, be sure to use the link down in the description and use my code Choctaw10 and you'll get 10% off your first box. Now let's get to fishing. Alright guys, there it is. I got it on that. It's a you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I forgot what that is actually called, but it's from Vicious Fishing. If I catch fish on it, I'll put the name of the fish on the across the screen for y'all. But the reason I'm going with this for, the wind is so bad now, I want something that's got some rattles in it, something that's gonna get their attention. It also was walking across the water real sweet like. See if I can drop it right here, see if I can see that. The wind is so bad right now, but that thing's got a loud rattle, and it's yeah, it's throwing water, it's rattling. I think this will get fish's attention in this dirty, muddy water. There it is right there. Look at that, y'all, right there. What did I say, y'all? Did y'all see that? I watched him come up and hit that. That was exciting. Alright, y'all, here you go. Yo, that was excellent. I seen him come up and hit it. I watched him come up and hit it. Yes. Alright guys, so that plan worked out for me. My plan was to put on a top wire that had some noise to it. So that Vicious Fishing popper was the perfect lure for this. It is like 11 o'clock in the afternoon right now. It's like 80 degrees. It's hot out here. But with the water being as milky as it is, and the wind being as loud and hard as it is, I don't even think these bass can even tell, like, so I mean I'm gonna keep throwing it around for a little bit because I did catch fish on it, and if I don't get another bite on that, I'm gonna put on the Lunker Hunt Commotion on, see if I can catch something on that. I think I'm gonna stick with the old top wire bite and see if I can get something going there. Next up, we got the Lunker Hunt Commotion. Let's see if we can cause some commotion with it. It's still in the water, so I can show you what it looks like. Maybe I'll happen to throw it in front of a fish just like last time. So I had it in like that. It might be too windy for this. This one's a little bit. This one's got less weight. This has got less weight than the other one, so I don't know if it's gonna work. But oh yeah, that's a lot louder than the other one. It's got awesome walking action too. Alright guys, so this is the beauty of this, the BassFinder box. I answered the questions on the survey and I got what I wanted. Okay, here is a Lunker Hunt crankbait. I hate deep diving crankbaits. That was an issue I always got from the Monster Bass and the Mr. Tackle boxes, that they didn't care what you fish. They just say, okay, people are catching fish in deep divings in their region, so that's what we're gonna send them. BassFinders, they don't do that. They ask you the questions how deep I like, and I say shallow, up to 5 feet. And this is a 2.5 feet diver. Perfect for the conditions I'm in right now. Let's see if it catches something for me. Alright guys, got that sucker tied on. That is the Lunker Hunt Jolt, the 2.5. It's got a tight wobble. This is a 2.5 feet diving crankbait. I specifically said in the box on the survey that I don't fish deep waters. I'm bank fishing this month, and you can change every month. That's the thing too, because this month I know the bass can be up shallow, so I wanted something shallow. And what do I got? I got something shallow. Let's see if I can cast this. Yikes, that wind really caught it. Let me tighten that up a little bit. I kind of rambled that when I should have just chunked it straight in. There we go. There we go, y'all. Just like that. Here we go, another one. Another about 2 pounder, 2.5 pounder. They're eating today. Alright, so that happened exactly how I said it was gonna happen. The Lunker Hunt Jolt, it only dives 2.5 feet. I took it just on the outside of grass so it would get cotton grass. We know, like second or third cast, bam, smacked it. I think we'll continue fishing with this. This isn't a slam. I'm trying to attempt. I'm just fishing with baits in there that's working, and this worked on the second cast, so gotta keep doing it. There's another one. Ugh. Wow. Another one. Oh, God. Okay, he got the hook up. Alright, so again, I'm just going to keep throwing it. I'm gonna try liquid mayhem, but I'm gonna put it on the swim jig. That y'all looks pretty nice. I'll put some right here. I'm gonna put it like right in the crack there. And rub those feelers into it. Woo! Yeah, it stinks. There we go. Liquid mayhem on a swim jig. Woo-wee, that wind is crazy. There you go, there you go. We needed. Yes, the liquid mayhem, the liquid mayhem. He smelt it and couldn't, he just had to have it. Look at that, y'all. He wanted it. It's all in his mouth. Yeah, he swallowed that thing good. Look at that, it wasn't even really hooked, it was just wedged. It wasn't even hooked, it was just wedged in there. All right, let's let him go. This way. Oh, I got one. There we go, y'all. There we go. There we go. On the chatterbait. Thunder cricket, that is. Old chatterbait fish. Oh, dropped him, but there he goes. All right, let's see if I can get another one.